I am Deon Michael from Sacred Heart College, Thevara, and I am currently pursuing BCA. And I am happy to share that I have completed my internship at Skoliko for 30 days and 40 hours. Skoliko is a next generation AI education solutions company focused on bringing the gap between academia and industry through practical and industry oriented learning. And during my internship, I worked on a project titled Unicorn Startup Company Analysis using Microsoft Power BI. And the main objective of this project was to analyze unicorn startups and identify patterns in fundings, valuations, industry growth, and market trends, and using the data analytics and visualization techniques. Dataset contains information about companies valued above $1 billion, and through this project I explored important questions such as why do some companies receive more fundings than others, why regions like Silicon Valley produce more successful startups, and why do some startups becomes unicorn faster than the others. So to complete this project, I use Microsoft Power BI for data visualization, dashboard creation, DAX for calculations, and Power Query for data cleaning and transformation. The process started by importing the CSV dataset directly into the Power BI. After importing the data, it is cleaned by removing duplicates, handling the blank files, and correcting the datasets such as dates, text, and numeric values. I then created different visualizations to make the data more meaningful and interactive. Some of the visualization included a stacked bar chart showing countries with the highest number of unicorn startups, a year-over-year graph showing the rise of unicorn companies over time, a pie chart representing continent-wise distribution of unicorn startups, a waterfall chart showing company valuation across different continents. The dashboard combines KPI cards, slicers, charts, and tables to convert raw startup data into meaningful business insights. And from the analysis, I found that USA has the highest number of unicorn startups. Technology companies receive the highest investment. Companies take average of 6 to 7 years to become unicorns. The year 2021 recorded the highest number of unicorn startups. And this internship helped me improve my skills in data analysis, business intelligence, and data visualization, while also giving me a practical industry exposure. I would like to sincerely thank Skoliko for providing me with this valuable opportunity and guidance through this internship. Thank you.